Ever wondered which alkaline foods can actually help balance your body's pH? Maintaining the right balance of acidity and alkalinity in our bodies is crucial for overall health, as it affects everything from our energy levels to our immune function. Maintaining the right balance of acidity and alkalinity in our bodies is crucial for overall health. It affects everything from our energy levels to our immune function. Fatigue, inflammation, and digestive problems are common health issues that can arise when our bodies become too acidic. When we consume too many acidic foods, our bodies have to work harder to neutralize them, which can lead to an imbalance in our pH levels. This can cause a range of symptoms from mild discomfort to chronic diseases. Many people experience these issues without realizing that their diet is the root cause. An imbalanced pH can also affect our mental health, causing mood swings, anxiety, and depression. The good news is that making dietary changes can help restore balance and alleviate these symptoms. Our bodies are designed to maintain a slightly alkaline pH, and when we eat foods that support this, we can experience significant improvements in our overall health. By incorporating more alkaline foods into our diet, we can reduce inflammation, boost our energy levels, and even support weight loss. A healthy pH balance is essential for maintaining strong bones, as it helps our bodies absorb the necessary minerals and nutrients. Alkaline foods are those that have a positive effect on our body's pH levels, helping to neutralize acidity and promote balance. These foods include leafy greens like kale and spinach, citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, and vegetables like cucumbers and bell peppers. The benefits of alkaline foods are numerous, and they can have a significant impact on our overall health. By incorporating more of these foods into our diet, we can reduce our risk of chronic diseases, improve our digestion, and even support healthy weight loss. Some specific examples of alkaline foods include tomatoes, avocados, and almonds. These foods are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients and can help support a healthy pH balance. Incorporating alkaline foods into our diet can be simple and delicious, and it's a great way to take control of our health and well-being. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who followed an alkaline diet experienced significant improvements in their overall health, including reduced inflammation and improved bone density. This study highlights the transformative effects of incorporating alkaline foods into our diet, and it's a great example of how making simple dietary changes can have a significant impact on our health. Many people have experienced similar results by making the switch to an alkaline diet, and it's a great way to take control of our health and well-being. By incorporating more alkaline foods into our diet, we can experience significant improvements in our overall health, from reducing inflammation to supporting healthy weight loss. Incorporating alkaline foods into our diet is a simple and effective way to maintain a healthy pH balance, and it's essential for overall health and well-being. If you've had any experience with alkaline foods, be sure to share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out our other video on healthy eating tips for more information on how to support your overall health and well-being.